Welcome
to
Family Friday! Welcome to Family Friday, everybody. And I've been working on the railroad all the live long days. Yes, I've been working on the railroad just to pass this time away. Woo! Hey, we were thinking about trains. We were out on the Military Ridge bike trail and doing some biking and kind of connecting this to a song called This Train. This train is bound for glory. And how I think there's an old saying called the train has already left the station, and meaning getting on track with life and being a part of it. And I think our journey with God, we are following God and we don't want to get off track. And so this song is called This Train is Bound for Glory. And just to remember that God is on our journey, we want to stay on track though with God. It goes like this. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. Don't ride nothing but the righteous soul. This train is bound for glory. This train. One more time. Bound for glory, don't ride up the righteous soul. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound. Woo woo! Woo woo! God's blessings to you, everybody. Have a wonderful day.